Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, what currency is used in HoneyBook? Now, I know this might seem like a pretty basic question, but I've actually gotten a lot of questions about it lately, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. So, let's get started. Before we get into the answer, let's talk a little bit about HoneyBook. HoneyBook is a software platform that helps freelancers and small businesses manage their clients and projects. It's a really great tool for keeping track of your finances, scheduling appointments, and sending invoices. So, now that we know a little bit about HoneyBook, let's get back to the question at hand. What currency is used in HoneyBook? The answer is, HoneyBook uses US dollars. This is because HoneyBook is based in the United States, and the US dollar is the official currency of the United States. So, if you're a freelancer or small business owner who is based outside of the United States, you'll need to convert your currency to US dollars in order to use HoneyBook. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about HoneyBook, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about HoneyBook, you can check out their website here, https://www.honeybook.com. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.